Hey there guys, welcome back to Mindful Eats. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are preparing rice wraps, vegetarian with paneer and soya. So let's dive in. So for this recipe, I have used these rice wraps. They are available in any supermarket or Asian store nearby. All you need to do is take lukewarm water and just dip the rice wraps in this bowl, in the water bowl, and we need to soak them till they are soft, but they are not completely soft as they would break apart. So here I have taken a variety of vegetables. With the paneer I'm using carrots and cabbage. You can saute them if you want, or if you just want to have it plain like I'm having here, you can just do so. Any kind of vegetables can be used. It's absolutely your choice. Here I have sauteed the paneer with some soya sauce, chili sauce and vinegar, and then I'm just gonna wrap it in this particular manner and form a nice fold on either side and roll it over so that the filling is firm enough. So here we have our paneer rice wrap is ready. I'm just gonna run it one more time so you understand how to fold it over and fill the wrap up. Coming to the soya rice wrap, here I'm taking carrots and capsicum. I've just taken them raw and I have thinly sliced it. You can saute it if you want to. And I have taken soya chunks which I have marinated in soya sauce, chili sauce, vinegar, salt, and then lightly sauteed it. And yep, I'm using this in the wrap. And this becomes a perfect light snack. With lot of veggies, or it can be a party starter, or if you are a light eater, then this could be your dinner because it has all the food groups. So yep, here we have our rice wraps, paneer and soya. Do try it out and let me know how it turns out. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified for my next video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.